Hello everyone, today I am here with the best trading view indicator for 2023, and this indicator will not only you will use for the scalping but also for the day trading as well. Okay, and the best thing of this indicator is that you can not only use this strategy for your forex trading but also for the crypto and stock market. Okay, now one more thing that all that all the indicators are free in the trading view indicators. So in the trading view, so you should not worry about the trading indicators. Okay, let's move towards the broker that I am using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you have 5 options: standard, cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. If you want to open your account with them, you can trust on them for their deposit and withdrawal methods. And if you want to find the link of this broker, you can find in the description of my video. Let's move towards our strategy. Which indicator today I am telling you for your trading is twin range filter. Twin range, simply type twin range, and this is twin range filter by Colin Mack. 5258 traders are using this indicator, right? So you have to apply it here. Another indicator that we will use for this strategy is volume. Simple, you have to click on volume and it will be applied. This indicator is basically for the confirmation of the above indicator, right? But we have to change a bit in both of the indicators. In the first indicator, twin range filter, we have to only change the inputs from fast period to 25, 27 will be changed into 25, and fast range will be changed from 1.6 to 1.5. okay, you have to simply click OK, and now you will go in the volume section, settings of the volume. You have to change its MA length from 20 to 10, and you have to change its style from volume, grow. Its color I will change a bit sharp. Okay, and the next one, this red color will also be changed into the sharp red, right? And now I have to check the volume MA line as well, and its color I will change from this to white, and width should be bit higher. Now this is giving you a good show almost. Okay, that's good, that's great. Now I want to explain you about this chart. Please listen very carefully. This short means you are able to take your sell position. This long means now you are able to go into the buy market, right? For the confirmation of these signals, you have to use this volume indicator. Okay, we will be using this indicator of volume to determine if there is enough volume in the market to push the market in the direction of our trade. For example, if we want to take the trade of buy, right? For the buy, for example, this long, what we have to see, we have to check that whether MA bar, this MA bar, these are the MA bars, this is MA bar. So MA bar should be above the MA line, this line. Okay, if the MA bars are below this MA line, then you will not take trade. Okay, you will not take risk of trading, right? So we have to confirm it by using this MA line. For the conversely, if we check in another chart, for example here, this we have to check from here. It is giving you signal of short, means you are able to enter into the market for the sell signal, right? So for short, we have to confirm if the signal, if the bar, MA bar is above this line, you are able to enter into the market for the sell, right? So I hope it is clear now, and this strategy is again very simple and is very easy to apply for your own trading. For your own you can say choice of time frame. So good luck from my side for your trading, and thank you.